Hello everyone, my name is Emily and welcome to Kids African Drum course. Today I'm going to teach you a new exercise called binary calling and responding. Binary calling and respond exercise helps you to focus on the beat, the counting, and also the rhythm. On this exercise we are going to use two patterns, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern and 1, 2 pattern. The first beat for the caller is 4 tones and the first beat for the responder is bass tone, bass tone. For example, 5, 6, 7, go. Now I'm going to play the calling beat while you respond. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Good. Now we're going to exchange. You're going to call while I respond. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Now we are going to play it like this. I'll be calling you twice while you respond, then you exchange. You call me twice while I respond. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, go! This is the end of binary calling and respond exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification so that next time you will see our new videos. And please remember to share with your friends and families too. See you next time. Goodbye.